Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I am blessed, and I hope everyone is blessed. I am, and I know that you are blessed. I always remember that you are blessed. And I always say that to yourself. I am blessed, and you will be blessed, because you are blessed, even to be in the land of the living today. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm getting ready now to read my scripture to you all. I'm going to pull the scripture out. And let me see. God would lead me to the right thing for the right day, for the right person. Because there is someone that God would lead me to one of the verses out of here that is needed for someone today. And I'm hoping that the someone will hear today or tomorrow, and this verse will do them some good. For everyone that asketh, receive it. And he that seeketh, findeth. To him that knocks, it shall be opened. Matthew 7 and 8. For everyone that asks shall receive. He shall seek and find. To him who knocketh, it shall be opened. Matthew 7 and 8. Okay. Call unto me, and I will answer thee. Jeremiah 33 and 3. Call unto me, and I will answer thee. Jeremiah 33 and 3. Okay, I hope these scriptures that I have read to you today will find someone that's in need of the scripture for today. May God bless the reading of my scriptures to the one that's in the most need of what I have read today. So I'm getting ready to make tacos. And I've started with the turkey, with the turkey. Let me cut this out. Yeah, okay. I have about a little bit more than a half a pound of ground turkey with onions and bell peppers. Got it? Got it in there. Onions and bell peppers. Okay. All right. So now I'm getting ready to get started. I'm going to open up a can of Rotel. I don't have it ready yet prepared, but I'm getting ready to open up the can of Rotel. And the skillet is getting hot. Okay. Let me put it up a little higher. Let me put it on some medium high. Okay. Okay. Got it on medium high right now.
It's not on? Oh, yes it is. Okay.
Okay, so it's a little bit more piece of meat in there, so I put that in there. All right, so that can of Rotel.
She's making tacos with taco meat, y'all. And she used complete onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, and chili powder.
That's my onion.
The onion powder.
Garlic powder. Complete. Chili powder. Cumin. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to be stirring this up a little bit while it's cooking. I'm going to cut it up a little bit so I can get a little faster, I guess. Got it on medium, so I'm going to put it on high for a few minutes till I get it started, and I'll turn it back to medium high. Okay, now I'm putting in a can of Rotel.
Y'all don't have to use the whole can of Rotel. You can use half a can, but I love Rotel, so I always use the whole can. Okay, y'all, she's putting a chicken broth in there. She's probably putting about a half a cup of chicken broth.
Okay, that should be about enough.
Yeah, that's about a half a cup of chicken broth. Okay, y'all, added some more cumin and some more chili powder, and she's finna put a tablespoon of flour in there. And this is how we make our meat for our taco seasoning. Oh, and also paprika. We forgot the paprika. So just let it cook until it get a little thick. So y'all, we forgot she's gonna add this paprika. She's gonna add the paprika. And this is how we make our taco seasoning. Because you have control of the sodium. Because the packs have a lot of sodium. So we just do it ourselves.
Okay. This is the paprika that I'm using it.
Okay, y'all. Gonna let it cook by another 15 minutes and it should be ready. Be back.
All right, now this is ready, and I'm getting ready to do refried beans on here now. Sorry, rice. I'm saying.
She went ready to do the Spanish rice, y'all.
Let me sit this over here. I'm gonna sit this on the stove for a minute and get this off. And sit it over here.
Okay, y'all. She's using the Cora's Spanish rice, and then she's gonna put 2 cups of water in the pot and a half stick of butter. Said oil, but we gonna use butter. Just 1 cup. Here's another cup. I know how to make Spanish rice from scratch, but we just gonna make it with the package today.
Okay, so now that's some other.
Okay, y'all, she's cutting a half a stick of butter to go in there in the water. Y'all, please remember when y'all buying stuff to look on the back of the thing for sodium. Like, this is a little high because it's 22% sodium, but at least it's not more than that, and that's still too high. But just try to keep it out in your sodium intake. Okay, we'll be back when she's ready to put the rice in there.
Okay, I'm getting ready now to pour in my my rice, and it has to cook for let me see, 2 quarts of rice. Okay, I'm gonna pour it here. Pour the rice into. And stir it up.
Yeah, this is some good rice. How long we have to cook? Next time we do it, y'all, I will make some homemade. I'll make some homemade Spanish rice because I do know how to make homemade Spanish rice.
7 minutes. It took 7 minutes.
Okay, y'all. So you heard her. She said it cooked 7 minutes. So we'll be back once it's done, and then she will do the refried beans. Okay, y'all. She's finna start on the refried beans, and again, this is the rice that she used, and it's very good. And I just added some cilantro to it.
Okay, so now all I have to do is direction for the heat and stem while until slimming while stirring. Let's pour it into a microwave.
Okay, y'all, she's finna start on the refried beans. She just adding a little tiny chicken broth in it. Okay, y'all, so she's finna put her refried beans in there, and it could be any refried beans. It doesn't have to be a special brand. And right now, just me and her, because my nephew is at work. So just me and her right now. So we don't need a lot of beans, refried beans. Yeah, so we just using 1 can, y'all, because it's just me and her. And she's going to put her seasoning in. She got garlic powder, cumin, onion powder, and garlic powder. Chili powder. That's what she's going to add to it. And she put a little chicken broth at the bottom.
This is a chili powder. Okay. Onion powder.
Y'all can use whatever seasoning y'all use. As we always say, we use what's best for us with least amount of sodium.
And cumin.
And again, as we always say, onion powder and garlic powder has no sodium in it, y'all.
Alright, that was my garlic powder. So now I'm going to be stirring it up here. So I'm going to get it out again. So,
Okay, y'all. So it turns out real pretty and creamy when you do it that way. Alright, we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, she just put a little cheese on top of her refried beans. So, those are delicious. Okay, y'all, here's the rice, the coarse rice. We put cilantro in there, the taco meat, and the refried beans. She got a taco shell. She finna ready to make her plate, y'all. And just mashed some guacamole. I didn't make no anything. Just not guacamole, just the avocados.
okay. Alright, I'm gonna start with the meat. Okay. Alright, so
Yeah, sorry about the noise from the TV. She forgot to turn the TV down in her room today.
okay. I have a lot of meat on here, I guess. I like a lot of meat on my tacos if I'm going to eat one. All right. Now, the tomatoes and all of this stuff. Okay.
Good night.
That's all I'm going to put on here. Now I'll be putting my my rice and get my cheese. I put a little cheese on top of it. Put a little spoonful. I kind of like refried beans, you guys. Okay.
Oh yeah, what we forgot to put in the we usually put some hot sauce in there. I knew it was something we missing. I didn't get to put the hot sauce in there. And the refried bean.
And this is my rice that I have here, so okay.
And we use turkey meat because that's all I can eat. I don't eat ground meat or pork, so
You put a little bit inside of my, oh man, it's coming apart, you guys, but anyway.
Yeah, this is so good.
Y'all know what? I like open. Yeah, hand me the sour cream over there, please. Anyway.
Ready to make me mess, y'all, but it's okay because she finna get a grub on. And she 84, she can do that.
Why this one ain't been open? I don't know.
Okay. All right, y'all. She's putting sour cream on her tacos.
Okay. You guys, y'all know that. Give me a plastic spoon over there. Boom. Right there with the things in it. A plastic spoon or fork or something. Okay.
Here.
Okay. I'm going to take a bite of this one. Now I have my sour cream. And I also have it on my rice. And I also have it on my refried beans. So I'm going to take a bite. Mmm. Very good.
Y'all, this is so good. Oh my goodness. The flavor from the meat is delicious.
Very, very good. You got it.
Okay, y'all. We finna get ready to go so we can get our grub on.
Thank you all so much for watching the video. And I thank you all. I'm almost about 50 away from 45,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, and hope y'all enjoy this video. This was supposed to be a Taco Tuesday, but it's a Taco Friday because it's usually have a fish fry on Friday. But due to the fact this is what she had for her birthday dinner yesterday, but she didn't feel like fixing it, and I was busy and doing other things, so I want to thank you anyway. And it's very, very good. So y'all try this. And this might be something good that you all to make it. If you have a small family and y'all kind of like stuff like this, it's so good to do it too, you know. So it doesn't take very much. It doesn't take very long to do it. So I thank you all so much. And I'm on my way to 45,000 subscribers. I'm liking about 50 more right now. So God bless you all. Y'all keep on subscribing. And I will appreciate it to the highest. I'm trying to get to that 50,000 before the end of February. So y'all keep looking, keep viewing, and hope y'all will enjoy it. Have a very blessed day and a blessed week coming up from Miss Lena's Kitchen Taco Day.
And thank you to all the members of her channel. We appreciate each and every one of y'all that's members of her channel. We thank all the old loyal, faithful, the older Lord faithful members that rock with her from the beginning, and all the new members that's coming along. We appreciate y'all. Please view her videos and like them. It really helps YouTube to push them out when you like. Thank you so much. Bye.